Hi there, today's a Grumps Giles only video and we're going to do something different. Today I'm going to go over to the commons over there. You can probably hear the chainsaws, and I'm going over there to meet the rangers, and we're going to film some trees being cut down. These are diseased ash trees, and when we get over there you'll see what we're doing. Okay, so I'll just point the camera over that way, and then you can hear the noise. Typical, they stopped sawing when I turn the camera. There we go. Right, so just going to go and put my boots on. I'm going to walk over that way and see what we're going to do today. Right, so I'm just about to go into the common through the gate, and you can see some smoke in the distance where they're burning the first of the trees. Because they're diseased trees, they need to be burnt straight away so as the disease doesn't get spread around. Okay, here we go. First of all, we're going through Jubilee Wood, which is part of the town council. And this is where I'm going to start walking on these bits. Are slippery, I get out of breath. Okay. So I'm going to pause this now, just for my own safety, and I'll start at the bottom again. I get called Grumps by my grandchildren, but my name is Andrew Giles, and I'm the chair of the trustees for Torrington Commons. And our job is to maintain the commons for the people of Torrington, so they can enjoy them for walking and picnics, and it's a great place to go on a nice day. So we're actually on the commons now. This is one of our beauty spots. The lovely stream goes through the commons to the main river Torridge and into the sea. Ooh, big steps. There we go. Sometimes the stream comes really high and goes over the banks, and that's why the bridge is quite as high as it is. Right, let's go. Let's carry on. I'm going to walk up this hill. It's quite steep, and I'm going to be really out of breath, so I'm going to pause it. I'm going to not talk for a bit. You'll probably hear me. Maybe my daughter will put some music. Maybe Haley will put some music on to help.
Not a star in the sky could steal your light. You are the diamond in the dark. No oceans out there can wash you away. There is no wave that you can't break. The good in you makes a better me, and you're easily the best part I see. You're a fighter, you're a fighter. Now I see what life could be when you're standing next to me. You're a fighter, you're a fighter. I'm high. I'm higher, higher, higher than ever before. The good in you makes it better, and you're easily the best part I see. You're a fighter, you're a fighter. Now I see what life could be when you're standing next to me. You're a fighter, you're a fighter.
Do that one with the rope, Jay, or big one with the rope, the small one without rope, yeah? Right, get there, back out of the way.
This is no, okay, I'm going to get out of the way now. That was Big Al, he's our head ranger.
Hold on a minute.
Gonna put his hard hat on. I'm gonna
Andy, better get down there out of the way.
get out of the way. Right, we've got lots of volunteers today from Torrington Environmental Protection Team. I'll say that again in a minute. So,
You get caught up in the oak tree, but we'll get there.
this oak tree.
The branch there, it's got to come this way.
Oh yeah,
Wind's
okay.
very good.
Right. Yeah, as I was saying, we've got a team of volunteers today from the local council, the Torrington Environmental Protection Team, and they're going to help the clearing and burning of the diseased ash trees. So, that's Jason over there. He's a professional
I'd stand back a bit
lumberjack.
further, you do something.
Back a bit further.
All right.
I had feet of space. You see how the tree broke up and it landed?
Yeah. All the dead stuff.
On the bank, from the bank for those, yeah. They're too big for our fire there. Not too big for the one at home. Not too big for the one at home. Elm, we'll get elm right, it burns like a hole. That one there, you see, got isn't quite gone yet. Dead. Yeah. It's got to come out. But it's still sap in it. You won't burn that. It stinks.
It's rubbish then, isn't it? That was the green stuff.
Right, everybody stand back now because we're going to wedge and pull them down.
No, it's not. The rope fell off. The rope fell off. What you need is to climb it.
I think you're saying, Andy, we could do one of the oak trees right here if you want to video that.
I don't think people would.
Yeah, with dead wood, it could go anywhere.
Yeah, I know.
This will be the big one in a minute.
Okay, that'd be good.
Long. Lands on the tree. He lays his eggs on the bark. The maggots eat inside the bark, and they spread out and go all the way around the tree, eating the membrane that brings the water up, and that's what kills the tree.
Wow.
And then when they fly off and do exactly the same. That's how it spreads. You can see that it's quite a nice pattern, some of it.
Is there nothing that can be done to?
No.
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 It was rife in 1970, was it?
In the 70s. You had some trees 700 years old, elms. They all got it. Somebody imported some trees from the Netherlands with it on there, with the beetles on there, the larvae, and that was it.
See?
Invasive species.
Floggies, eh?
Yeah.
What are they good for, eh? They ruin everything.
not a star in the sky could steal your light. You are the diamond in the dark.